Hello, SOR PE scholars. It's Magister Beck coming at you. And for this week, week 13, for your Phi-Ed activities, I know lots of you have been having gymnastics practice, volleyball, basketball practice, and been using that for your PE stuff. But now that everything's shut down, you guys are going to have to do, I don't know, indoor bicycling, treadmill, workout videos, whatever. I made a little short workout video. It shouldn't take you very long, and I'll give you 15 points for it. I'll send it or attach it tomorrow on Microsoft Teams. It's for SOL and SOR. Also, I have SOR workouts, bodyweight workouts on my YouTube page from last year that I used in the spring for last year's SOR PE. You guys can do those. But the main reason I'm making this little video is some of you guys have been just, for all your 100 points or whatnot, your PE activities, you're just doing cardio, and some of you are just doing strength training. And I'd like you guys to mix it up this week and you can do, I just don't want you to do just cardio or just strength training. I want you to mix it up a little bit. So what I'm trying to get at is, we talked about earlier in the beginning of the year what anaerobic workouts, aerobic workouts, and strength training workouts are. If you don't remember, look it up because we talked about it. And you should remember, but if you don't, look it up. I would like you at least do each one at least once this week. You can still do strength training or cardio or aerobic workouts every day or whatever you want to do, but at least do one of each of those. Anaerobic, aerobic, and strength training for this week, week 13 for SOR PE. If you guys have any questions, message me on Teams and I'll answer you. But besides that, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow at 2:14, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Talk to you guys later.